Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to fix a Maytag top-load washer that is stuck on lid locked and won't open. Let's jump right into the solutions. Method 1. The quick unlock. First, try pressing and holding the start-pause button for 3 to 5 seconds. If the cycle was simply paused, this will cancel it, clear the safety lock, and release the lid. Method 2. The 5 minutes hard reset. If it's still locked, unplug your washer from the wall outlet for exactly 5 minutes, according to Maytag's official support. Plug it back in, then immediately press and hold the start button for 3 seconds. You should hear a click as the lid unlocks. Method 3. Reset panel via diagnostic mode. If the lock light is still flashing, reset the control board. Turn the main dial 1 full turn counterclockwise to 12 o'clock. Then turn it 3 clicks right, 1 click left, and 1 click right. Once the lights flash, turn the dial 4 clicks right and press start. Note, if there is still water inside the drum, run a manual drain and spin cycle first, as Maytag will not unlock while water remains. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more quick tech guides.